Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can actually get diamonds in Minecraft. I will show you how you can get them in any kind of version, so just stay with me until the last minutes, and you will be understanding every single way to get diamonds. So first of all, please make sure that you are using Minecraft and open it. Go to single player. I will create a new world and I will make it creative, and I will allow sheet and difficulty peaceful, just so we can do it peacefully without any problems. Game rules, let's keep it that way, and let's go into our world. So we wait a little bit until the world it will be loaded, and I will be right back to you guys. So back to you guys, here I am inside my Minecraft world. So I will tell you how you can actually find diamond in this world. First of all, make sure that you, for example, you can go like through caves, which is the most common one, which is going through caves, going to a lower level, and that was you most of the Minecraft players does. But the pro players, what they actually do is they go, for example, let's get some torch like that, and click F3 just like so, and we go just right like let's check in here, let's go in here and let's go down, and this will help you in Minecraft version between the Minecraft that has the bedrock level, which is level 0. But the other Minecraft version, which is the newest one, which will not help you with it. So the Minecraft which has bedrock at level 0, which is bedrock like somewhere in here, bedrock somewhere in here. For example, let's say this is level 0, so you will get to have to be mining at this level, which is level 13. You will be mining like this, making, I will tell you how exactly to do it. Basically, if you came to this level, which is level 30, you will have to make a hole, for example here, and you leave 2 blocks and then make a hole here, and you start mining all the way down, like until like you can mine like 20 blocks or 40 blocks. It depends on what you feel like to mine, and you do the same thing in the opposite side. You mine all the way here like I showed you, and that's how you can mine in the oldest version of Minecraft. The newest version of Minecraft, what you could do is basically just go down into like lower, something like that. We need to find a lower space. Okay, and let's try to find some caves. So I will try to find caves by doing this kind of mining, and basically between 0 and down below you will be able to find diamonds. So I found here a cave. Let's check if we can find any diamonds in here. Nothing there. Let's check the other side. For example, in here there's gold. There is this space in here. I think we might find some diamonds in this place. There's a higher possibility to find diamond in that place. So there's ores, there's redstone. I don't really want to cut this video off until I find diamond, because I want to show you it live. So let's start moving around until we find some juicy diamonds, something like here. Okay, basically this level seems good. You can even go even below this level if you want to find diamonds, but around this level you will be able to find some diamonds in caves. But you can do the same thing that I showed you before in other version, which is go until like this level or even below. Like let's go a little bit below, something in here, and from here you can just start mining like that, like even, and do hole like so, and leave 2 blocks again and do some hole like that. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually find diamonds in this Minecraft version, which is the newest one. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you stay till this moment, thank you guys for watching this whole video, and yeah, see ya in the next tutorial, and bye bye.